India's total COVID-19 cases passed 18 million on Thursday, after another world record daily infection and death tally. The second wave of infections has overwhelmed hospitals and crematoriums. India's Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla said on Thursday that the country has prioritized imports of oxygen and around 40 countries had pledged their support. India's total COVID-19 cases passed 18 million on Thursday, as it reported 379,257 new COVID-19 cases and 3,645 new deaths in the past 24 hours, the deadliest day so far for any country hit by the pandemic. The numbers have been climbing because of shortages of supplies like medical-grade oxygen and hospital beds in capital New Delhi and several Indian states. The second wave of infections has overwhelmed hospitals and crematoriums and prompted an increasingly urgent response from allies overseas sending equipment. India has prioritized imports of oxygen, Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla told a news conference on Thursday, adding that 40 countries had pledged their support. He said close to 550 oxygen generating plants are expected to come in from different sources from all over the world.
As I said, over 40 countries, and these are not just developed countries. Our neighbors, Mauritius, Bangladesh, Bhutan, have all come forward to offer assistance in whichever capacity is possible.
Countries around the world have been rushing to help India alleviate the crisis. A second shipment containing 120 oxygen concentrators arrived in New Delhi from Britain on Thursday, with the first consisting of ventilators and oxygen concentrators having landed on Tuesday. India also received 20 tons of aid from its traditional ally Russia through 2 urgent flights in the early hours of Thursday. The country will receive a first batch of Russia's Sputnik V vaccine against COVID-19 on Saturday.